Researching and analyzing different cryptocurrencies before investing is an important step in making informed investment decisions. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and can be risky, so it's crucial to thoroughly understand the assets you're considering investing in. In this video, we'll quickly cover some key factors to consider when researching and analyzing a cryptocurrency. One of the first things to look at when researching a cryptocurrency is its white paper. A white paper is a document that describes the cryptocurrency's technology, its use case, and the team behind it. It's important to read and understand the white paper to get a sense of the cryptocurrency's potential value proposition. Cryptocurrencies are built on various different technologies, such as blockchain, DAG, and Tangle. It's important to understand the technology behind a cryptocurrency, as well as its scalability, security, and privacy features. One of the most important indicators of a cryptocurrency's potential success is its development team and community. A strong and active development team that is continuously improving and updating the cryptocurrency is a positive sign. Also, check out the level of adoption. Is the coin already in use, being used in any industry, or has any partnerships? It's important to research a cryptocurrency's competition to understand how it compares and how it differentiates itself. This will give you an idea of the cryptocurrency's chances of success in the market. Market capitalization is a measure of a cryptocurrency's value and can be used to compare it to other cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that market capitalization does not necessarily indicate a cryptocurrency's potential for growth. Examining a cryptocurrency's trading history and volume can give you an idea of its liquidity and volatility. High trading volume and low volatility may indicate that a cryptocurrency is a good investment, while low trading volume and high volatility may signal the opposite. Researching news and sentiment about a cryptocurrency can give you a sense of how it's perceived in the market. Positive news and sentiment may indicate that a cryptocurrency is a good investment, while negative news and sentiment may signal the opposite. Understand the legal and regulatory environment in which the cryptocurrency operates. It may have different legal implications around the world. This can impact the cryptocurrency's potential for growth and adoption. By researching and analyzing these factors, one can gain a better understanding of a cryptocurrency's potential for success and make more informed investment decisions. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency markets are highly unpredictable and past performance is not a guarantee of future success. As always, it's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose.